A wealthy capitalist is in despair because his factory is shut down due to a broken machine that no one seems to be able to fix. He's hemorrhaging money every day the machine is unproductive. As a last resort, he calls in an old-school repairman wearing coveralls and a gray beard. The repairman approaches the machine with a toolbox in hand. He takes out a modest ball-peen hammer and confidently taps the machine in one precise spot. The machine starts up and production resumes. The wealthy capitalist is overjoyed until he receives the repairman's bill for $10,000. He calls the repairman, furious, demanding an explanation. "All you did was hit the machine with a hammer," he says. "It was only 5 minutes labor." "Well," says the repairman, "I charge $10 for the hitting, and the rest of it for knowing where to hit."